Hi students, welcome to this video. Students, in this video, I will explain about the resistors are connected in series connection. What is the concept of this series connection and how they are connected? What importance in this series circuit? Let's discuss in this video. Okay students? Now, if you see this circuit diagram, students, R1, R2, R3 are three resistors which are connected in series. Right, and this is our input source as a Vs. When circuit is closed, what happens? There is a path that current can flow easily. Okay students, so series connection plays a major role in electrical system. Okay, now so whenever current flows through the each and every resistance, will have some drops. The drops are very important to find in this series circuit. Okay, so other name of series circuit we are calling as a voltage division method. Okay students, other name of series connection is nothing but it is a voltage division method. In this we will find the drops across each and every resistance, right? And here the condition that to find Vs is equal to here current in terms of V1, V2 and as well as V3. So total voltage is equal to what is the relation here? V1 plus V2 plus V3. This V1, V2, V3 is nothing but what a voltage drop across each and every resistance. And this is your total voltage. This algebraic sum of the voltage drops are equal to your total voltage. That is a condition to satisfy the series circuit. Okay students? Now, in this two things are very important to know series circuit. One is always the current is constant. Current is constant. From starting to ending, from point to point, where the current is flowing, each and every point, always the current is constant. But which one varies? The voltage will varies. Okay? So V1, V2, V3 are the different voltage drops we are finding in this series connection. So if you know these two concepts, the series circuit is very easy. Okay. Now what is the formula to find the V1? What is the meaning of V1? It is a voltage drop across the resistance 1. V2 voltage drop across the resistance 2. Then what is the meaning of Vs? This is your input voltage. Which voltage? Input voltage. For example, if you give 10 volts as the input voltage, then with this V1, V2, V3 becomes how much students here? It should be also 10. That is the condition here to satisfy the series circuit. Okay. Now what is the formula to find the V1? V1 is equal to I into R1 and V2 is equal to I into R2. V3 is equal to I into R3 and the units of the voltage are volts. So this is the first thing that you have to mention, and this is the second formula to find the series connection. Right? Now how to find the current also very important here. How to find the current. Now students, when resistors are connected in series, right, to find the total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 is total your total resistance. Right? Already what is given? Given the voltage. You know voltage source, you know total resistance using Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law? I is equal to Vs by Rt. Units are amperes. If you know this current, from that what we can find here? We can find the voltage drops. What is the condition here? Vs is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So other name of series connection is nothing but what? Voltage division method. And applications are nothing but what? In decoration bulbs we use this series connection. And street lights also we use a series connection. Okay students? So series circuits are very important in our daily life. Let's do one problem. We'll solve one problem that how to find the voltage drops and as well as the total voltage. Okay students? Now suppose your voltage is here 10 volts. How much? 10 volts. And your resistance are 2 ohms, 3 ohms and as well as 5 ohms. The resistance units are ohms. Okay now? You know R1 is equal to 2 ohms and R2 is equal to 3 ohms and R3 is equal to 5 ohms. What do you find here? Find the current. Find the current and as well as the power. Okay students? So these things we will find from above formula. Right? How? first of all, what do we find here? The solution is to find the total resistance. Total resistance. What is the total resistance? Algebraic sum of the resistance. That is 2 plus 3 plus 5. It becomes how much here? 10 ohms. How much? 10 ohms. And how much voltage given? 10 volts. Okay. So from the Ohm's law, I is equal to Vs by Rt. That is 10 by 10. How much you get here? That is 1 amp. 1 amp is your total current. So this current is flowing across each and every resistance. Okay, students? Now from this, still what we can find? We can find the voltage drop across each and every resistance. Let's see how it is. Right. V1 is nothing but what here? I into R1. I into R1. I means how much here? 1. R how much? R1 how much there? 2. How much it is? This is 2 volts. Next, I into R2. How much I? 1. And R2 how much here? 3. How much it is? 3 volts. Right? I into R3. 1 into 5. How much it is? 5 volts. 5 volts. Okay, students? Now, what is the condition actually? What is the condition here? That is, the total voltage source is equal to the algebraic sum of the voltage drops. Here, how much here? 10. How much here? 2 plus 3 plus 5. Both are same or not? So, this is your series connection. Series connection. That is, the algebraic sum of the voltage is equal to your total voltage. Still, what you have to find out? We find the current, and what you find? You have to find the power. Right? What is the function? What is the formula to find the power, students? The previous video I explained about the basic relations to find the power. What is the meaning of power? Power is nothing but what? A product of voltage and current. Voltage and current. So how much voltage given here? Given 10 as a voltage. And current how much got? 1. So how much it is? 10. What is the unit of power? Watts. So this is your answer. This is your answer. We find the current, we find the voltage drops, and we find the power. Okay, students? So this is a very simple one. That two things are important. Current is always constant and voltages are varying. So other name of series connection is nothing but what? A voltage division method. Okay, students? Thank you.